In a world filled with complexity, simplicity holds the key to clarity and effectiveness. Join us for a transformative simplicity workshop that will change the way you think. This workshop is designed to help you identify complexities within your work and embrace simplicity in your processes, communication, and decision-making. Whether you're an executive, manager, team leader, or employee, this workshop is for you. If you want to enhance collaboration and drive innovation, we want you there. You will learn how to identify and eliminate unnecessary complexities, create clearer communication strategies, streamline processes for greater efficiency, foster a culture of innovation and teamwork. The workshop includes engaging presentations, collaborative activities, and tools for actionable simplicity. Are you ready to simplify your work and enhance your impact? Sign up today and join us in this journey towards clarity and success.